Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are here for our yoga practice, and this week we're gonna work a little bit of our core muscles. That means like these muscles around our stomach that helps us to sustain our body, to keep us tall, help to support your back, and also improves our balance. So do what you need to accommodate. If you're okay sitting on the floor, you can place a mat or towel somewhere comfortable for you to sit on. Otherwise, you can always adjust using a chair. So we're going to start sitting on your sit bones. You can use something to make your hips higher if that feels best for your joints here. So rest your hands on your thighs. Gonna take a deep breath in, and as you breathe in, noticing your spine growing tall. Find a space in between your vertebrae. Curl your top of your head up towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, longer breath through your mouth, noticing your face softening, or your muscles relaxing, maybe your shoulders dropping. And do this 2 more times, breathing in, all the way up through your spine, growing your body tall. And as you exhale through your mouth, letting go any tensions, letting go your thoughts and your worries. 1 more time, breathing in. And exhale through your mouth. Simply take this instant to notice the sensations in your body at this moment. Noticing your breath. And bring your hands beside your body. Roll your shoulders back and down, noticing your chest getting wider. Inhale, arms long. Exhale, reach the floor in front of you. Breathe in and exhale, breathing out. See if you can let go, connecting with deep and soft breathing. Gonna stay there, breathing for 3 times. Breathe 2. And breathe 1. Slowly bring your hands back and around in your back. Make your way back to sit. There we go. Gonna bring your legs long on the floor. Again, if you need to adjust, you can roll a blanket or something to put under your knees. Okay? Or just keep your knees like bent if you cannot keep it straight. Okay? So here, gonna inhale, exhale, arms reach up high, look over the ceiling, and exhale, fold forward, soft and smooth. You're gonna continue like a breathing in and breathing out, let go, fold forward, breathing in long and breathing out forward, breathing in and breathing out, and see where you can reach. It can be just on your knees, or if you can reach further, just stay there, holding for 3 complete breaths. 3, 1, and slowly return. I'm gonna ask you guys to bring your feet a little bit wider, kind of hips width apart. Again, accommodate your sit bones. Make sure you have your spine long. So sometimes you just need to bend your knees a little bit. And inhale, arms align with your shoulder. Belly button to your spine. Tough core here. We're gonna start to engage your core muscles. As you exhale, you're gonna twist. Bring your left hand over your right foot and look over your right hand. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, up. And twist. Center. Twist. Center. Twist. Center. Twist. Center. Last one. Twist. Center. Okay, relax your arms here. So we can bend your knees a little bit, hug your knees and rest your head just a little bit. Nod your head side to side. And lengthen your legs again on the floor. You're gonna bring your arms in front of you, like imagine you're holding here a big cooking spoon maybe. So you're gonna visualize like you stir a huge pan. Okay? So you're gonna use your core muscles again. So go all the way up, side and back, side and front. Visualize you're making a circle, keeping your arms straight and strong. Stirring a big soup pan. And you're gonna switch sides to the other side, back, side and front, side, back, side and front. Inhale and exhale, one last. Inhale, exhale, and return. Relax your arms, shake your legs again. Move your head a little bit side to side. So again, you can bring your feet on the floor and hug your knees, resting your forehead towards your knees. And breathe there. Okay. So seated on your sit bones here, you can use your hands behind you to help to make your spine tall. Noticing your solar plexus and your chest wide, your spine long, your head growing up towards the ceiling. Bring your belly button up towards the back and start to transfer the weight to your sit bones, and see if you can just rest the tip of your toes on the floor. And here you're gonna hold, using your core muscles to hold your legs. And nice smile, chest open, and breathe. 2, 1. Return, hug your knees, rest your head. Gonna do this again. Arms beside you. Inhale, long spine, chest wide open. Transfer slightly. but keep your sit bones on the floor, using your core to hold your body and just touching the tip of your toes on the floor. If that's too easy, you can try to lift one leg and the other, and quick switch and switch and switch. One more. And turn. Very good. You're gonna cross your ankles here. Transfer your hands to the mat, coming to tabletop. Or another option is you can bring your elbows down on the floor as well. Okay, and press the floor against the floor. So here we're gonna do a plank pose. So again, use your core strong. You can just come here and hold. Use your core because you don't wanna let your back fall like arch, keeping your spine strong. You can just move your hands a little bit forward and let your hips fall a little bit. But you want to keep your hips aligned with your shoulder, okay? So keep your hips a little bit high and hold. Breathe. A little bit more. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax. Laying down on your belly, let your legs fall apart. Bring one hand on top of the other under your forehead and simply rest your forehead on your hands. This is the crocodile pose. So we're gonna breathe into the crocodile pose. Relaxing completely your body, your legs. Using your breath to recover. Stay for 3. Breathe 2. And breathe 1. Let's roll into your back. Bring your feet on the floor. And here you can bring your arms aligned with your shoulders on the floor. Keeping your feet on the floor, knees facing the ceiling. Exhale, drop your knees to your left and look over your right shoulder towards your right hand. And breathe 4. Breathe 3. Breathe 2. Breathe 1. Return. Knees facing up. Accommodate again your spine on the floor. Inhale, exhale, drop your knees to your left, right, and look over your left shoulder, looking towards your left hand. And breathe 4. Breathe 3. Breathe 2. Breathe 1. Returning to center. Bringing your legs long on the floor, arms alongside your body with your palms facing up. I can invite you to bring one hand to your belly and the other hand up on your chest. And simply notice as you breathe in, noticing your stomach expanding, your belly button rising up. And then your chest filling up with air. As you exhale, your chest moves down, and then your belly button moves towards the spine. Breathe in, expanding first your stomach, your belly, rib cage, and chest. And as you exhale, your chest goes down, rib cage comes together, and your belly button moves to the spine. One last complete breath. Inhale, stomach, rib cage, and chest. Exhale, chest, rib cage, and stomach. Relax your arms alongside your body. And your next deep inhalation can bring your arms above your head, stretching. And rolling to your side. Using your arms to push you away from the floor and come back to seat. And noticing the space on your mind, the space on your body that you can access with the practice. Tuning up with the stillness, peace, joy. Gonna wrap up today's practice. I hope you have a lovely week. Keep practicing and see you next time. Namaste.